On a bright morning, in a busy little street lined with colorful houses, lived two best friends, Milo the cat and Benny the dog. Milo loved to climb the fences and rooftops. Benny loved to wag his tail and greet everyone who passed by. One day, as cars zoomed and bicycles whizzed, Milo spotted a red balloon floating high above the houses. "Meow! Look, Benny, a balloon!" "Woof! Let's catch it!" barked Benny. Off they went, Milo leaping from wall to wall, Benny trotting happily below. The street was full of neighbors, children skipping rope, mailmen delivering letters, and bakers carrying baskets of bread. Everyone smiled as they saw Milo and Benny chasing after the balloon. Finally, the balloon drifted into Mrs. Rose's garden. Milo pounced lightly onto the fence, and Benny gave one big jump. Pop! Went the balloon! For a moment, the friends looked at each other in surprise, then they both laughed. Meow, hey, hey, woof, woof, ho, ho. Even though the balloon was gone, Milo and Benny knew the best part wasn't catching it. It was the fun of the chase, together on their busy, happy street. And from that day on, whenever something exciting happened, everyone on the street would say, "Here come Milo the cat and Benny the dog, always ready for an adventure."